If you've been wondering which AI coding assistant deserves your time, Coderabbit or GitHub Copilot, this breakdown is for you. Let's start with Copilot. It is deeply integrated into VS Code and JetBrains IDEs. As you type, it completes functions, suggests entire blocks, and supports dozens of languages. It's built on OpenAI Codex, so incredibly fast and accurate, especially for production level code. Now, Coderabbit. It's more conversational. Think of it as a code coach that explains logic, helps you debug, and guides you through problems step by step. It doesn't just give answers, it helps you learn. That makes it great for students and junior devs. Copilot is perfect for fast paced environments where you just need output fast. CodeRabbit is ideal when you want to understand what you're building and why. Cost wise, Copilot has a subscription fee while CodeRabbit is currently has a free version. But Copilot supports more environments, making it more scalable for teams. So what's the verdict? Use Copilot if you're building software at scale. Choose CodeRabbit if you're still learning, teaching, or just want more context behind the code. This is how to literally. Both are powerful, but one fits your journey better.